Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so I'm out here at the park. I love to fly at y'all. About to try to fly with the birds up here in the trees, y'all. Might try some dives too. Out here with the little Meteor 75 Pro from BetaFPV. And I'm gonna just stand up against my car right here, up against my vehicle, and take off from here, y'all. Shoot it right there. Let's try to get everything plugged in. I got a 5S battery pack, y'all, for my goggles. Hopefully, don't burn nothing out. That was a crazy dive, y'all. Trying to do what the birds do, y'all. Uh-oh. The birds be having fun up here, y'all. Oh, yeah. Wind is blowing crazy, y'all. You surprised I'm able to still keep this guy up in the air. We got somebody out here sitting on the bench, chilling. No battery, time to bring it in, y'all. How y'all like my socks? Let me stop and make sure I got the video, y'all. Quick little flight with my Meteor 75 Pro from BetaFPV. Doing what the birds do, y'all. Beautiful Tuesday morning. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. Thanks for watching.